Ujjwal, Sahana, and Sneha. These are our three participants, and all three of them are going to battle it out to be champion here at this episode. Let me begin by introducing all three of them to you. We begin with Ujjwal on table number one. Go for it, Ujjwal.
Myself Ujjwal, and I am studying in Siddhganga Public School.
Sahana, what about you?
Hello sir, my name is Sahana. I am studying in 9th standard and I am from Gurukula International School.
Okay, Sneha, back to you.
Yeah, hello sir, my name is Sneha. I am studying 8th standard in Presidency School.
That brings me to the end of the introductions, and that begins our gameplay. Before we start the gameplay, I hope you guys are logged in, synced up, because we're going to join at the game with the first of our rounds. For you guys to begin those rounds, I need you to click on the TV game show button. Okay, now press the play action button. It's right there, the blue color button that says play. Yes, got it. And while we count down towards our first rounds, any doubts that you all have? No, you'll have watched the episode before, so you'll know what happens. A quick rundown for the benefit of our TV audience is the fact that you're going to get 4 different rounds. Decimals, fractions, algebra are round 2, 3, and 4. The first round is integers, okay? You're going to get 2 or 3 numbers. You got 2 or 3 operators available with it. Give me a desired result. Simple and easy as that, okay? Getting back to you all, round number 1 is integers, 3 games, 60 seconds per game. Best of luck to you guys. First question, or rather game number 1, round number 1 on your screen. Here we go. 12 is the desired result that I require. You've got 4 numbers, 3 operators. Work your way through. Sneha has been fast. Well done, Sneha. Sahana and Ujjwal working at it. You've both got around 15 seconds remaining. I hope that's not the case at home, because I'm sure most of you are as good as Sneha, but she is very fast. She's taken hardly 9 seconds to crack that. So if you need a challenge and stay up and stay competitive, try and beat Sneha at a game, because she set the mark already. Time has elapsed for both of you. Don't worry. Don't worry. Sneha, if you can explain what you did.
Yeah, first I subtracted 10 from 12.
10 from 12, so that's 12 minus 10.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I multiplied 3 into 2, that is 6.
3 into 2 is 6, and 6 into 2 is 12. Well done, Sneha. Well done. The Sana and Ujjwal, just game 1, you're getting started up. Sometimes it can be starting jitters, so nothing to worry about. Game number 2 gets started, and here it comes for you on your screen. Best of luck at home too. And here it comes. Number 2 is what I want of you. You've got 4 numbers, 3 different operators available. Sneha's off in a flash. Sahana is off in a flash. Ujjwal has almost rounded up to the end, and he's done. Sahana's done, and this time it is Sneha's turn. She needs to undo a little. 40 seconds of time. Take your time. Ensure you get it right. Ujjwal and Sahana, like I said, it's just early round jitters. See how easily you all were able to solve the next one. The more you do it, the easier it gets. So even after this event, once you guys get home and for further practice, go back to numbersb.in and practice some more. Helps your cause in the long run. And Sneha's done too. Good job. Ujjwal, you were the fastest, so if you could explain what you did.
First, I subtracted 14 from 24,
Okay.
from which I get 10.
24 minus 14 is 10.
And I took another solution, which was 15 minus 7,
15 minus 7.
then 10 minus 8.
10 minus 8. Well done. Well done. That gives you 2. Well done, Ujjwal.
Thank you.
Now that we are all on the same page, last game, round number 1. Here we go on your screens. The desired result that I expect of you is, again, number 2. You've got only 3 numbers. Let's see who will improve their average time with this, because it shouldn't take you too much time to get there. Oh, there's a little bit of undoing happening. Okay, so is Ujjwal, and so is Sahana. They're all almost arriving at the same way or same fashion towards the solution. I'm sure you guys have different solutions, because remember, a different solution could be a different prize. Just remember that at the back of your minds while you're playing the game. Okay, while we have another 25 seconds and all 3 of my participants are working towards the final solution, I'm going to take a quick break, and on the other side, how they worked out game 3 and points from round 1. Don't go anywhere, you're watching Numbers B. We'll be right back. Welcome back. You're watching Numbers B. We take action from game 3, where all 3 participants were in between completing that one particular game. Ujjwal was successful in it. Time elapsed on both Sneha and Sahana. So, Ujjwal, if you could explain what you did.
First, I added 6 and 4,
6 and 4.
which gives me 10,
Yeah.
and 10 divided by 5.
10 divided by 5. Both of you were operating on the plus and the minus only. You all didn't think of the division. Whichever operator has got the green color there, you can work with it. When it remains black, that means that operator is not in existence for this particular game. Now that we have completed with those 3 games, let's take a quick look at the scoreboard at the end of round 1. Sneha and Ujjwal 2 apiece and Sahana 1 game. Early days, 3 full rounds left. So lots more that you can score. We'll go directly to round number 2. Here it comes for you. It's decimals, and like I always ask, do you like digits that come after the point? Basically, do you like decimals?
It's okay.
It's okay. Not so much.
Moderate.
Moderate. Very, very diplomatic answers, I must say. Okay, round number 2, let's start then. Let's move on to game number 1, round number 2. On your screens, here we go. Desired result 12.45. You've got 3 decimal numbers there. You've got 2 operators available. That's addition and subtraction, and Sneha off in a flash. It's almost like you know how to take a game by its horns on the first game. Then you go a little slow. So don't do this time, okay? I want you to score on all 3 games. Ujjwal, what happened there?
I subtracted, but I didn't think I would get the answer.
Ah, okay. Okay, so you went early with the subtraction, basically. Sneha, you were fastest, so explain to me what you did.
Yeah, first I subtracted 7.25 from 9.5,
Okay, 9.5 minus 7.25.
and then I added that to 10.2.
You added the remaining digits and you got 12.45. Well done. I'm going to continue with game number 2. Coming up for you on your screen. Let's go. 11.85. That's 3 numbers with digits, decimals. That is 6.25, 12.5, and 18.1 to arrive at 11.85. Sahana's done in a flash this time. And Sneha too has finished, and so has Ujjwal. Sahana, you are fastest, so explain to me what you did.
6.25
6.25
plus 18.1
plus 18.1,
minus 12.5.
4.35 minus 12.5 gives you 11.85. Well done, Sahana. Okay, back to game number 3, round number 2, coming up for you guys on your screen. Here we go on game 3. 15.233. You've got only 2 operators. That's addition and subtraction. Work your way towards 15.23 for me. I think you're almost there, Sneha. Just need to finish it the way I see it. Well done. So has Sahana finished this. I only have the young man Ujjwal to finish. I think you went wrong on that step. Let me just check. I want to see what he's done. Oh, okay. You went on an addition when you should have gone on the subtraction. That's what you did. Wrong operator to play on. Sometimes it happens. You're in the heat of the moment, but you guys hopefully are doing much better. And I will move on to round number 3. We'll take a look at game number 1. Best of luck to everyone at home. Here it comes for you. Game number 1, round number 3. Fractions on your screen. 5 by 6, and there are 2. Oh, Sahana, why were you in a hurry? 3 seconds of time, 6 seconds of time. Why are you guys doing this? The only person who took 13 seconds and still managed to answer, that is Sneha, because both of you got tripped up by a simple 2 fractions. That's why I love fractions. Confuses people. What did you do, Sneha?
Sir, I actually made them a common denominator. I used the pen and paper.
Okay.
And I calculated and made them common denominator. It was 8 by 6 and 3 by 6.
Okay.
Which was 4 by 3 and 1 by 2. Then I subtracted 4 by 3 and 1. Like 1
4 by
2
3 and 1 by 2 gives you 5 by 6. Well done. I hope you are not having those challenges at home, because I'm going to go on to game number 2. Game number 2 coming up for you in round number 3. On your screens, the desired fraction that I require from you is 11 by 7. You've got 3 fractions, 2 operators. Best of luck. You've got... Can I even at least finish speaking? Wow. That is fast. That is super fast. What did you do?
So first I subtracted 15 by 7 from 18 by 7.
Okay.
Yeah.
15
And
by
then
7.
I added it to 8 by 7.
Then you just added the 2 and that gave you 11 by 7. Well done, Sneha. That brings me to the last game of round number 3. Round number 3 coming up for you guys. Best of luck and here we go. Number 6 that needs to be achieved. 4 fractions, 2 operators. Everybody on a gung-go and there's a lot of undoing happening and I'm loving this. Especially when there is a lot of undoing. That means they are uncertain. That means the questions are getting tricky. That's again another beauty of Numbers B. It takes into the account that students are performing at a particular level, ups the notch and gives them a better question to play with. That's exactly how it works and that's what they're trying to do. Sahana almost on the last bend of this, whereas Sneha, Sahana and Ujjwal both making mistakes with good 20-odd seconds left on the timer. Sneha, you have 15 seconds. Take all you want, but give me the right desired result, which is 6. Last 6 seconds, Sneha. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that is time. Too much time spent with pen and paper not working it out there can also cause a problem. That basically means I can show you guys the possibilities that are there that you can work around. The possibilities are 45 different possibilities. Okay, that basically means 45 of them, and we move on to the third round score. We'll take a look at how you guys did at the end of the third round, okay? In round 3, your performance was Sneha, 2 games won with 9 seconds. That's great time, though. You didn't complete the third one. Ujjwal, 1 game at 10 seconds. Great job. Sahana, fractions is not your thing, is it? Okay, but that brings me to a point where I need to take a break. On the other side of the break, I'll tell you how they have been performing overall, and then is the last segment where you could have defeated them in the overall score, or they could be just better than you. Don't go anywhere. You're watching Numbers B. We'll be right back. Okay, guys, one last round to go, and I want all of you to get all 3 right because there are a lot of people competing against you, and you need to make sure that you beat all of them. But right now, what do we say to the television audience?
Welcome back.
Outstanding. Welcome back indeed. We've got one more round to play. And before that, let's take a look at the overall scoreboard at the end of 3 rounds. What happened? This is your overall scoreboard. Oh, Sneha leading with 7 games with an outstanding average time of 14.14. Sahana and Ujjwal, the game is not out of your reach. All that needs to happen is Sneha doesn't do well at all in this round, and both of you get all 3 right. You just need to keep your fingers crossed and answer correctly. You guys too at home, make sure you're answering correctly, and Sneha's in the lead. Try and match up to her or do better. Best of luck. Why not? Everybody's ready then? Okay then. Here we go. Round number 4 is algebra that comes up. 3 games. Your concentration faces at best. Fingers on your tabs, and here we go. Game number 1. The number 2. Don't make silly errors. Do not make silly errors. Take those extra 3 seconds if you want. Okay, Ujjwal's done. Sneha's done. And Sahana almost finishing. Take your time, Sahana. Well done. Almost there. One last step. Easy, 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 easy.
Press undo once more.
Okay. And there you go. There you go. Patience pays, and it's nice to see that you've cracked it with almost 30 seconds left. Well done. But for now, let me go on to game number 2. Here we go. You've got to enter 2 different variables from me, x and y, the value of which needs to be entered, and then we go to an operation that needs to be done using the operators, either a addition or a subtraction. And please remember, it's my job to keep talking. Oh, well done, Ujjwal. Well done. 37 odd seconds left. Ujwal played it very, very intelligent and straight. I saw the working that he did. Well done, Ujwal. That was a nice way of working it out. And now the young lady wants to. Oh, she's working a reverse way of doing it. Well done. Well done. He took the easier way out. You complicated it a little for yourself, but fair enough. Not a problem as long as you arrive at the final answer. Okay. Now the time has elapsed on Sahana. Sneha, you went second fastest. Ujwal, of course, was fastest on this. What do you do?
I took x as 1
Okay.
and y as 2.
X as 1 and Y as 2.
It becomes 0.
It becomes 0.
5 plus 0 or 5 minus
5
0.
plus
or
0 or 5 minus 0. Yeah, you tell me what you did.
I took x as 3
X is 3,
and y as 1.
Y as 1. Okay. And that gives you 10,
10,
and
10
10 minus 5 is 5. Well done. And a quick look at the other possibilities. There were totally 3 possibilities there where X is 2 and Y is 4. That's again the third sort of possibility as compared to what the two of you did. But well done on that, both of you. Here we go. Game number 3 coming up for you on your screens. There we go. The desired result is the number 6. You've got 3 options there, 2 operators. Oh, ho, 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 ho. 7 seconds. Outstanding, Sneha. 7 seconds. She's put the gauntlet down. You have to go up to that challenge. Sneha has taken all of 7 seconds with a nice way of working this out. If you can beat her at it, I don't know what prize you get, but you can, of course, pat yourself on the back for now if they've beaten your time at it. If not, kudos, Sneha. 7 seconds is wonderful on that. And what did you do?
So I saw 3x, so they both were same. So
Okay.
any value you take for x, it'll be okay. Because
Okay.
if you subtract both of them, you get 0.
Okay.
And 6 was there, so I took x value as 1.
X value is 1.
Yeah.
Both of them became 3.
Yeah, then I subtracted both of them, I got 0.
Okay.
And then I added it to 6.
Just added it to 6. Well done, Sneha. Well done. And that's a really amazing. Oh, no. Wait. I can't use the word amazing. It's a okay performance, Sneha. I mean, considering most of the things are okay for you, but can't take away credit from the fact that she's been absolutely consistent. Let's take a look at round 4 scoreboard before we look at the overall scoreboard. Round 4, 3 games, Ujwal, 3 games, Sneha. Ujwal just averaged out better than you on the timing, but you were consistent, absolutely consistent. 3 games at 17.33. Sahana, 2 games. 1 game you just missed out on, but that's okay. We'll take a look at the total scoreboard coming up for you. Wow. Really, really good performance. I think the only other 2 performances that have beaten you is there was 1 performance with 12 on 12, which is the current record, and which can only be equaled. It can't be bettered. But the others where there were 2 or 3 episodes where we had people scoring 11. Those are the only 2 that seem to have beaten you. But you've got a great average time for 10 games won at 15.18. That's a really good working out speed that you have there, even though you're using pen and paper. You're not just sticking to your sheet, you're also using pen and paper there. So that is a combination with 15.10. Really good job. Congratulations. Ujwal and Sahana, great effort. Just that a couple of questions stripped you here and there. In Ujwal's case, there was one where you went on the wrong operator. If you had not gone on the wrong operator, life would have been different for you. And good job, Sahana, because at 16 seconds of average time is great job at finishing 6 games. That then, ladies and gentlemen, brings me to declaring Sneha as today's champion. Congratulations, Sneha.
Thank you so much.
Okay then, it's that part where I distribute certificates and prizes, but it's been a great episode where the young lady who believes that most things are okay in life has gone on to be the champion. But not taking away any credit from the other 2 competitors who've been extremely competitive, and congratulations on your effort. Here you go with your certificate, and here is your coupons of Fun City. Enjoy yourself. Good job on participating. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And next time, make sure you get the operators right. Very importantly. There you go, Ujwal. Here's your certificate and here's your Fun City coupons. Good job. Congratulations. And to the lady who's qualified to the mega finale, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Really good job. Good for you, Sneha. Best of luck and
sir.
congratulations. And you've qualified for the mega final. Mega
you,
final will be way tougher. You need to be prepared much better. And here is your Fun
Thank you,
City
sir.
coupons. And also a Q&Q watch with best compliments from Sri Shankara TV and Ayush TV.
So thank you.
Okay, then. That brings me to the end of this episode. I am Lloyd Saldana signing off, and this is Numbers B. We take on math like never before. See you next time. Take care.